Hello, young scientists. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are going on an exciting journey to explore the wonderful world of sound. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. What do you hear? Yes, it's the sound of rain. Sound is everywhere. It's the noise you hear when you talk, when you play, and when you listen to your favorite songs. But what is sound, and how does it travel? Sound is made when things vibrate, like your vocal cords when you talk or when you hit a drum, the drum head vibrates. These vibrations travel through the air in waves. These are called sound waves. It can be soft like a whisper, or loud like a firework. The cause of the vibration leads to the effect of sound. Sound waves travel at a speed of about 343 meters per second. That's about 770 miles per hour. Anything that can vibrate can make a sound. Your voice, a musical instrument, and even your heart beating are all examples of sound. Let's explore a few materials that can make sound when they vibrate. Bell. When you shake a bell, it vibrates, and the sound rings out. Guitar. When you pluck the strings of a guitar, they vibrate and produce sound. Some materials that don't make a sound are rubber band. Stretching a rubber band does not produce sound waves, as the vibrations are not strong enough to create sound waves that can be heard. Clay. Squishing clay does not produce sound waves, as it deforms or changes shape, but does not vibrate enough to produce sound waves. So, we can say that sound and vibrating materials work together to create the sounds we hear every day. Sound waves travel through the air just like ripples in a pond when you throw a pebble. But how do they get to our ears? Imagine this ball is like a sound wave. When I toss it, it moves through the air, right? Sound waves do something similar. Sound waves travel through the air until they reach our ears. But how do our ears work? Sound waves enter our ears through the outer ear canal. They then travel to the middle ear, where they vibrate the eardrum. These vibrations are then passed onto the inner ear, where they are converted into electrical signals that are sent to the brain. The brain interprets these electrical signals as sound, like the sound of your favorite song or your friend's voice. This is how we are able to hear the world around us. Sound is an important part of our lives. It allows us to communicate with each other, enjoy music, and appreciate the world around us. Next time you hear a sound, take a moment to think about how it was made and how it traveled to your ears. It's amazing to think about all the different sounds that surround us every day. Did you know that sound travels faster in water than in air? Sounds can be classified as animal sound. Sound that comes from the animals like a sound of lion. Object sound. A sound that comes from objects like ringing of bells. Mechanical sound. A sound that is capable of traveling through solid materials like waves in the ocean. Musical instrument sound. A sound that comes from musical instruments. Environment sound. A sound that comes from the natural sound that we hear from the environment. Speech sounds. A sound that is created by human beings. Thank you for joining us on this sonic adventure today. If you enjoyed learning about sound, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, And don't forget to subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more exciting learning adventures. See you next time, young scientists.